hope you're all doing well. It is a beautiful fall morning here in Toronto. It's a little chilly, but we're gonna go for a cool adventure and get some cool shots. Let's get into it. It is such a beautiful morning. It really doesn't get much better than this, guys. I'm gonna head to a few of my favorite shooting locations here in Toronto. The first one is right by the CN Tower. Alright guys, we're on top of the convention center. This is one of my favorite locations. Some kind of expo is going on right now. I think it's Comic-Con or something. Everyone's all dressed up, but I'm gonna shoot a couple shots here, then we're gonna make it to the next location. So this is definitely one of my favorite spots to shoot. It's a little packed today because of Expo going on, but you're right beside the CN Tower. You could get some really cool shots of the landscape and everything. But it is warming up quite a bit. We're gonna make our way to the second location, which is at City Hall. We're gonna go to the Eaton Center, get on top of the parking garage, and maybe launch a drone. Good?
Yeah.
That was gnarly. Good work, eh?
Thank you.
Killing it.
Oh, Evan's falling, I'm declining.
I can't believe those scooter kids. They're 12 years old. That girl is just sending it down a 13 set. So crazy. But anyways, we're about 15 minutes from City Hall, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, we just made it to City Hall. We're just going to walk around here for a few minutes, and there's a few other spots around the area that I want to check out as well. So unfortunately this whole upper area is closed. That's one of my favorite spots to shoot because it goes right over the road and gets some nice lines for City Hall. But I think we're going to head over to the Eaton Center now because that's where my favorite spot is. Get on top of that parking garage and maybe launch the drone. I always take the wrong elevator. This one only takes me to P4. Got to go to P5 or 6, I don't know. Got to get to the roof, so got to walk to the one at the very end, and hopefully it's open. So you made it to the roof. Definitely one of my favorite locations, and it wouldn't be a Toronto location without some construction going on. This construction's been going on for like 2 years, and I think there's some gym class going on in the roof, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to launch a drone here, but let's walk around and find out. So it looks like my favorite spot isn't my favorite spot anymore. It's been like this for like 2 years, so I don't know what's going on if this isn't really a parking lot anymore, but I might try and launch a drone in this corner. Phew! Great flight. Flying between these buildings are kind of sketchy, but I think I made for some cool shots. Alright guys, it's time to get out of here. I don't want to overextend my welcome on this roof, so I'm going to make my way down. I know this video is a little different than what I'm used to filming. I'm more of a nature outdoors guy, but I had to come into city today, so I decided maybe I'll make a vlog out of it. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.